Welcome to my channel Redline Review. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and practical electric vehicles designed for the urban and semi-urban commute, the e-four-wheeler rickshaw. This 2025 model is built with families in mind, offering an eco-friendly, budget-conscious alternative to traditional transportation. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the e-rickshaw's modern, clean design stands out. With a sleek black and white finish, curved roofline, and strong body frame, it's a clear sign that this isn't just another utility vehicle, it's a thoughtfully crafted ride for everyday use. The open sides offer ventilation and visibility, giving passengers a more connected and enjoyable journey. Inside, there's comfortable seating for up to 6 passengers, including the driver. For families, this is a game changer. Parents can sit back with their kids, whether it's for school runs, shopping trips, or local sightseeing. The seats are well cushioned with added back support, making longer rides much more comfortable. Even children will love the view and the smooth ride, thanks to upgraded suspension that handles bumps and uneven roads better than ever. Powering this e-four-wheeler is a high-efficiency electric motor that delivers consistent performance with low maintenance. With a full charge, you can expect a range of about 100 to 120 kilometers, depending on road conditions and passenger load. Charging is simple and can be done overnight using a standard plug-in. This means no fuel expenses, no emissions, and minimal noise pollution. One of the highlights of this model is its family-friendly features: safety bars for added protection, strong grip handles, and easy step-in access for all ages. There's also LED lighting for better visibility during evening rides, and digital meters to keep track of battery levels and distance traveled. In 2025, sustainability